YouTube, Mark Morris, TotalEaterBroke.com. Engineer showing you how to get out of debt quicker with your credit cards. Let me show you something. This is my credit card statement. Have you guys wondered why your credit card balance goes down so slowly? Hey, I had the loan. The way you pay your credit card is this way you pay your same loan, and it's taxed the same way. So I'm going to show you something tonight. This is what our credit card balance, 26.99%, and I think I have a promotion one. I still had it at 21.9, something that's going to go away soon. Basically, this is my current balance, $7,450.21, and they want $234.70. Most important thing about your credit card, if you want to get out of debt quicker, you're tired of having, like, wondering why you're going broke, why you're paying so much interest, you got to understand how interest. You take your balance, multiply it by the interest. When I do it for mine, it comes out to $169. So after you pay that interest on that minimum amount of payment, part of it is paying interest, part of it is paying principal. Once you pay that, then you're about, for me, that 200 minus 169, I get the 169 because I take my current balance, 7,450, and I multiply it by the monthly APR, which is 26.99, basically divided by 12. So you always take your balance for the month time your yearly, basically it's your annual interest rate. You're paying an annual interest rate. So you divide it by 12 and you're calculating your monthly interest rate. And that's how you find out. You take that, your minimum payment minus your monthly interest rate gives you a small portion, and what's ever left, that's what goes to bringing down your balance. So what was happening to me, man, I was getting called from collectors for the student loans. I had problems with getting letters in the mail. It was a mess. The IRS called to garnish my wages because I did not understand interest. I had a student loan. I had been making payments for about 2 or 3 years. Started in 2008 for like 2 years. The payments for $546 times 12. So I spent about $18,000. Oh man, that $94,000 loan should already be down. That went down barely like $400 or $500 because I didn't understand interest. There's 3 things you got to understand when you're going to start paying down your loan. You got to know your balance. You got to know your interest rate. And you're going to have to end up spending more on that minimum payment. And I'll talk to you later about how you get extra money to pay more on that minimum payment. There's little tricks you can use. The trick I want to teach you, number one, is just learn how to read your statement, man. This is your statement. Make it pretty easy. They're great at telling you your minimum payment they want you to pay. They're good at telling you your balance. But how much interest do I have to pay? All the way down at the end. Where is that? Did I get to it? All the way down at the very end. Now, this is what really matters. I had my standard purchase rate, 26.99%. I still have some promotional one from when I first got the card, and it's at 21.99%. But they don't show you this, and this is what this is what impacts you. Interest will keep people to understand just making that minimum payment is not enough. And I'll show you why on some of the next collections. But if you like what you're hearing, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. What I want you to do today is just go grab your loan statement, grab your credit card statement. If you just find the interest, if you can just find the interest, I can show you how to pay off that card faster or give you more confidence that you can pay it off faster. But if you don't know that interest, I don't care how much you're paying on that monthly minimum payment. You won't know exactly how much your balance is going down. And that's why so many people are in debt. People aren't in debt because they took out the loan. They're in debt because of the interest on the loan, monthly interest that they're paying. And that's what keeps you broke unless you learn how to play the game like the banks play. So subscribe. Let me know if you like what you're hearing.